Have these three things in your presentation and people are always going to listen to you.
Thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking and creator of the Confident Speaker Conference, where we make you confident speakers so you can become powerful in your society and be happy because you're making great progress in your life and have the peace of mind. And today we are talking about the three things that you require in your presentation any single time, whether it's a corporate presentation in front of your senior managers, whether it's a client presentation, or whether you're giving a speech in front of thousands of people. You gotta have these three things, okay? Number one, you must have education in your presentation. Education. There's a triangle right here. Number one, you got to have the education. All these words are three E's. I call it the three E's to easy presentations. Okay, so you got to have that education. What do I mean by education? Well, you got to have the right information. So, you know, if you're a subject matter expert, make sure that you structure your content the right way so it doesn't become boring for people to listen to it. Okay, so you want to have good information so that the people with the left brain, people who are more analytical, get the right information and they think, oh my God, I got a lot of value from this presentation that this leader gave in the boardroom meeting today. All right. Number two, you must have great entertainment. Entertainment. Listen. We live in an entertaining world today. So first of all, after you give the information, which is the education, you want to entertain people. Now, you don't have to take your shirts off and make some dances to make people entertain. No, but you got to have some humor. You got to make people smile. You got to make people understand that you are not just, oh my God, a leader, but you are somebody who's an empathetic expert, somebody who likes to have fun. I mean, do you like listening to a person who's just senior? Today we'll talk about leadership. Or do you like listening to people who are fun? Absolutely the fun, right? That's the entertainment factor. You want to have great level of entertainment. And the third part, very important, you want to have empowerment. You want to empower your audience. You want to inspire them to take some action. So whether you're a boss, you're speaking to your project management team, you're talking to your juniors, you're talking to your leaders, you want to give them a call to action. In the world of psychology and persuasion, it's called CTA, call to action. You want to empower people. So for example, if you're talking about, let's say this is, you're proposing a project, a specific project for the team to do, for the senior leaders to take action on. So you want to educate them, the left brain, they want to entertain, you want to make them laugh, and in the end you want to say something like, so that's why, gentlemen, we need to do this, because as a company, it's our vision to create a better world. It's our vision to absolutely have the mind share of the customers in this marketplace. And I encourage you to take action right now in this immediate next quarter so that as a company together, we can make more money because we can generate more revenue for the company. At the same time, we can serve our customers and we can become an incomparable expert in the company. So let's take action on that. See, that's a vision right there. That's called empowerment. So you want to have education, you want to have entertainment, you want to have empowerment. And we talk more about it at the Confident Speaker Conference. So if you are coming to the upcoming Confident Speaker Conference, I encourage you to book your tickets right now because we are selling out fast. It's the place for subject matter experts who want to be confident speakers. I'm going to show you how to become a confident speaker, a powerful communicator, A to Z of communication. We're going to show you exactly. So see you at the Confident Speaker Conference. My name is Bishal Sarkar. Always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.